The quadrilateral is now a square with the same area, 13 minus square root of 48, which we also know from the previous part that it is going to be the same as 13 minus 4 square root of 3. The sides are 2 square root of 3 plus c, and we want to solve for the c over here. So we need to form an equation in terms of c, and to do that, just this multiplied by this is the area. This and this are the same, so it is 2 square root of 3 plus c square. This is 13 minus 4 square root of 3. Let's try to expand the left hand side. On the left hand side is going to be 2 square root of 3 square plus 2 times of 2 square root of 3 times c plus c square. This is 13 minus 4 square root of 3. 2 square root of 3 square, it will become 4 multiplied by 3, so this is 12 plus 4 square root of 3c plus c square. This I'll bring it over to the left hand side, so minus 13 plus 4 square root of 3 is equal to 0. So simplifying this, I will get c square plus 4 square root of 3c plus 4 square root of 3 minus 1 is equal to 0. Let's try to factorize the left hand side. I'm going to use the cross method to factorize. So this is going to be c square, and here what I'll have is a 4 square root of 3 minus 1. So here will be c and c. I'm going to choose this to be 4 square root of 3 minus 1 and here to be 1. So if I were to cross them, this times this is 4 square root of 3c minus c. This times this is c. If I were to add them together, I will be getting a 4 square root of 3c, which is what I have here. So making use of this, this will be factorized to c plus 4 square root of 3 minus 1, and c plus 1 is equal to 0, which means that I'm going to have two solutions, but the question say find the value of the constant c. So probably one of them is going to be rejected. One of it is going to be c is equal to 1 minus 4 square root of 3, or the other one is c is equal to minus 1. Which of them is going to be rejected? I'm going to try to substitute this back into the length of the side of the square. So for example, if c is equal to minus 1, if I were to sub it back here, that means 2 square root of 3 plus c, which is going to be minus 1. This is going to be a positive value, so I can actually accept this value as the possible value for c. Let's try the other one. When c is equal to 1 minus 4 square root of 3. The length of the side of the square is going to be equal to 2 square root of 3 plus c, and that is 1 minus 4 square root of 3. And this is equal to 1 minus 2 square root of 3, and this is less than 0. How can the length be less than 0? So this is not going to be acceptable. That is why the value of c is going to be equal to minus 1.